Low energy can be a frustration for many of my clients, and I totally get it because I have absolutely been there too. The frustrating thing about energy, though, is we either have it or we don't. And when we do, we forget how we got there. And when we don't, we wish we could have it. So, what I want to give you are the tools that I use with my clients to really help you figure out where you get your energy from. How is it created in your body? Where can you find more? And what exactly do you need to do to feel your best? I have an Energy Jumpstart workshop of the exact steps that I take my ladies through to help them really dive in deep into understanding what is fueling your body for the day ahead. In this workshop, I'm going to give you a workbook and I'm going to guide you through a process of asking you some questions, helping you figure out the answers so that we can come up with a plan that's going to work for you to get some of your energy back, to feel your best, to really create some healthy habits and foundations that can move you forward into feeling amazing all day long. Now, the strategies that I give my ladies are really simple, but they're the simple things that can make the biggest difference. So I'm not going to leave you with a great big laundry list of all the things you need to do. We're going to break it down to the smallest pieces that are really going to help you the most. So the Energy Jumpstart Workshop is available for you to do now. It is on demand. So that means when you sign up for this workshop, you're instantly going to get it sent over to your email. You get instant access to go through it at your own pace, and you can go through it every week if you want. Once you purchase it once, you can actually do this as many times as you want. I think you're going to love this process. It's a sneak peek inside what it would be like to work with me as one of my clients. And so if you've been wanting to really have more energy and create some healthier habits and get yourself back on track, then I encourage you to dive in and try this Energy Jumpstart Workshop. It's less than an hour. It's not going to take a ton of time. It's going to get you thinking, and you're going to come out of the workshop having a specific plan for your next steps to get your energy back. So dive in and enjoy. If we're just meeting for the first time, my name is Gaylene Gomez. I'm the owner of Compass Rose Nutrition and Wellness, and I help women really boost their energy and get rid of unwanted weight with simple nutrition and lifestyle strategies. As I mentioned, I really like the little tips that make the biggest difference, and this workshop is exactly that. So dive in, enjoy, and I cannot wait to hear from you.